Can you name all the Teenage Ninja Mutant Turtles? Maybe. Donatello, Michelangelo. Yeah, I'm out. My name is Michael Severance. I'm a physician assistant. I've been here in pediatrics now a little over 8 years. I've been doing medicine now, family practice and pediatrics for over 25 years. Working in family practice was a lot of fun. I liked the variety, but over the years I'd noticed that with age and time and with changes in medicine that my pediatric practice had actually diminished. And I really missed seeing the kids. And so when there was a chance to jump and change opportunities, I came over here to pediatrics and haven't looked back since. I come home a lot happier. Initial parent advice, especially for a first-time parent, is that there's no wrong questions, that there's no simple answers to every question, and that most of the questions we've been asked before, but there's not always the direct, simple answer because every situation is different. Every child's different. Best part of my job is when both parent and patient know that needs and questions were taken care of, but more importantly, that there weren't answers or things left outstanding, because then we go home with questions and then it just leads to more things like telephones and other things that we'd rather not do. I'd rather see them in person and make sure we take care of a kid. Again, my name's Michael Severance. I'm a physician assistant with Ogden Pediatrics. I'm genuinely looking forward to taking care of your kids and talking to you soon. Thanks.